It seems this is becoming a problem after 50 years. My heater just stopped blowing the other day, and after hours of research and reading forums, I devised this simple little no tools test, and I'd like to share it with y'all. Let's just assume for a moment that the electricity is actually flowing from positive, excuse the wind, down to the heater blower motor and up here into the resistor block and then into the switch. We're going to test first of all the motor and then the resistor block and eliminate the switch altogether. Here goes. First of all, the only thing you're going to need is a ground to the chassis. Now, we're going to disconnect the yellow wire, which runs from the motor to the switch. And we're going to connect that and turn the ignition on. And we have a fan. So that tells us that the motor's working. Next, we're going to disconnect the switch, which is right here. And then we have low, medium, and high. We're going to connect our ground to where the yellow wire came off of. Then we're going to take our yellow wire, and I'll try to stay out of the way here, and we'll go low. Oh, we need to turn the ignition on. We go low. We got low. Got medium. And we got high. So that tells us our resistor block is working and there's a problem with the switch. I've already taken the switch out. Here's the switch, and I'll try and show you what the problem is here. Now, this is the ground to the chassis from the switch, and right here, this connection has got, this connection right here that grounds to the chassis. It's got an incredible amount of resistance built up on it, and that's causing the motor to stop blowing. I'm just going to clean this up and resolder it to make this zero resistance instead of what it has now. Hope that helps. Enjoy your day.